Welcome back students. In this video I am going to talk on how to write mathematics exam. It is very important for all the students like how to write a mathematics exam like M1 and M2 in the given booklet provided by the university. First, for example, the question is being taken by the student here from the question paper, that the question paper consists of 8 questions of which we are supposed to write any 5 answers. So here if you go through the booklet, you are supposed to start from the next immediate page, and student have selected the third question. Dear students, the third question consists of A and B here, which is of 8 and 7 mark, and student have started writing the 8th question. Before that he has written to the next outside the margin 3B. You are supposed to write 3 and B here. Next, he started writing the formulae which is important for this relation or the equation which is given in the examination. So he started writing each and every equation, and the important points were done in the boxes. Important points were being highlighted and kept in the box. Make sure you write the mathematics exam like this and try to draw to the right even the margin, whereas you can do certain rough work or the calculation. Dear students, you can use a last page even for the rough work. In the booklet, the 32nd page, the last page, you can put a rough work as a main heading and start working your rough work at the back page. No worries if you are unable to do certain calculations, rough work to the right side of the margin. You can use the last page also for the rough work which I have highlighted here. The next thing is, if you go through the point here, as even for the mathematics exam like M1 and M2, university is going to provide you only the single rule copy which consists of 25 lines. Make sure of using each and every line and write very neatly and write in understanding language, and try to use both pens like black as well as blue to write the theory part or the calculation and headings in the blacking, and highlight certain cases. For example, student has done certain cases here like case 1 and case 2. The case 1 he has written in black ink, and when x equals to 1, and then started substituting the values here and calculating the procedure and the answer here. So go on writing in a step-by-step sequence, and wherever necessary the important formulas, please try to put it in the boxes. Dear students, when you write like this, it gives a good impression and you are going to get out mark. And the last point is the underline stating that the answer is also a convergent equation, and it is also given in the series is a convergent and the divergent. Please try to highlight those points in pencil, and once this answer is completed, try to draw the margins, try to draw the lines. As I told that 3A and 3B need to be written to the next of 3A, you should be write 3B or 3B or 3A. As student don't know 3B or 3A, he has done only with 3B and have drawn the margin. If you know 3A, please try to write 3A here, dear students, and do not leave more gaps and more spaces in the booklet. That gives a bad impression. The next student have selected a question 1. For example, the question 1 is something related to the matrices. You are supposed to write this question in black ink and start writing the answer in the blue ink, and write down the changing of rows or the related formulas and relations to the left in black ink, and try to solve the answer in a sequential order step by step. And do not strike in dark. If something goes wrong, just make in pencil, just strike off mark and start writing in the next line, and do not make it too dark in cutting the points. See how neatly the student have taken the exam and drawn the margins here and left one line for the next point, and very neatly he has done with both the pens blue and black, and started writing even in the next page, and this might be the final point. So the student have kept a star and it is being kept in the bracket, and hence the answer is proved. This is how you are supposed to write the mathematical papers in the single rule copy, where the white papers won't be given. Later, student have selected second question. In order to draw the second question, as the first answer is done, he has done a line to make sure that the answer is done and starting the fresh answer. The second question is also written by the students very neatly in black ink, and step by step, look dear students how neatly the answers are written here, so that it gives a better marking for you and you can score well and good marks. And make sure to write very neatly. Handwriting plays very important as well as the knowledge too, so better make sure to practice in a single rule copy even this mathematical relations equations. Why? Because most of you are taking in the white paper in your classwork. So once the answer is done, whichever the answer is correct, you please put it in the box in pencil and make sure to do the answers in the step by step sequences. And it is being done here. The answer is done in 3 iterations, so it are being highlighted in black pen, the iteration 1, and these are the XYZ values, and the next iteration 2, and that is being highlighted, and these are the values for X as well as Y and Z. Dear students, in this sequential order, if you write, for sure I can say that it gives a better impression and you'll be going to score out of out mark. And try to write all the iteration values at the end and write in X, Y, Z and put all the answers in the bracket. And draw the margin or draw the lines. Make sure to draw the lines very neatly in pencil and use scale also, and do not forget to carry your calculator. So I have taken certain 3 questions and have written here by taking the help of students. So this is how you are supposed to write even the mathematical equations and relation exams. Hope you got how to write the mathematics concepts in a single rule copy, and make sure to practice at home after studying, so that you will understand and you will come to know in how many lines you are going to write the maths exam. Make sure to do these things at home as a revision, dear students. So this all will be benefiting you all, and hope all my videos are helping you a lot. And do share with your students of all the BTech streams, and do subscribe to my channel. I hope you will be performing well. Good luck for your exams. Thank you and all the best.